Hello friends, I am Professor Major Dr. Y. Doke, Professor and Head, Department of English, Tuljabani Mahavidyalaya Tuljapur, District Osmanabad. The college is associated with Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Today we are talking on the topic of class conflict in Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby. American short story writer and novelist F. Scott Fitzgerald is known for his turbulent personal life and his famous novel The Great Gatsby. F. Scott Fitzgerald was the leading writer of American Jazz Age, the Roaring Twenties, and one of his glittering heroes. The chief quality of Fitzgerald's talent was his ability to be both a leading participant in the high life he described and a detached observer of it. Few readers saw the serious side of Fitzgerald, and he was not generally recognized as gifted writer during his lifetime. While he lived, most readers considered his stories a chronicle and even a celebration of moral decline. But later readers realized that Fitzgerald's works have a deeper moral theme. F. Scott Fitzgerald was born in St. Paul, Minnesota on September 24, 1896. He attended Princeton University where he wrote amateur musical comedies. He left the place in 1917 without a degree. At the age of 24, Fitzgerald won fame and fortune for his first novel, The Side of Paradise. It is an immature work, but was the first novel to anticipate the pleasure seeking generation of the Roaring Twenties. A similar novel, The Beautiful and Damned, and two collections of short stories, Flappers and Philosophers, and Tales of the Jazz Age, increased his popularity. The Great Gatsby, the novel is published in 1925, was less popular than Fitzgerald's early works, but it was his masterpiece and the first of three successive novels that give him lasting literary importance. The lively yet deeply moral novel centers around J. Gatsby, a wealthy bootlegger. It represents a penetrating criticism of the moral emptiness Fitzgerald saw in wealthy American society of the 1920s. Fitzgerald's next novel, Tender is the Night, revised edition by Malcolm Cowley, is a beautiful written but disjointed account of the general decline of a new glamorous American in Europe. Critics generally agree with that Fitzgerald's early success damaged his personal life and marred his literary production. This success led to extravagant living and a need for a large income. It probably contributed to Fitzgerald's alcoholism and the mental breakdown of his wife Zelda. The success also probably led to his physical and spiritual collapse, which he described frankly in the long essay The Crack Up. Fitzgerald spent his last years as a scriptwriter in Hollywood and died there on December 21, 1940. A few years after his death, his books won him the recognition he had desired while alive. Gatsby is a famous novel by the American author and it is published in 1925, is a vivid portrait of the Jazz Age. This book presents selected writings representing a variety of perspectives on the social issue of class conflict that is highlighted in F. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby. The Great Gatsby is narrated by Nick Carraway, who is a cousin and neighbor of the mysterious and wealthy Jay Gatz. Gatsby is famous for the lavish parties he throws in his luxurious mansion on the north shore of Long Island in New York. However, Gatsby was born James Gatz into a poor Midwestern family. He moved east and gained wealth through illegal selling liquor and other criminal activities. Gatsby is in love with Daisy Buchanan, the beautiful wife of the rich but coarse Tom Buchanan. Gatsby tells Carraway that he and Daisy had a brief romance while Gatsby was serving in the army during World War I. Daisy and Gatsby eventually become lovers again. Driving Gatsby's car, Daisy accidentally runs over and kills her husband's mistress, Martha Wilson, and leaves the scene of the accident without stopping. Gatsby protects Daisy by refusing to identify her as the driver of his car. The jealous Tom Buchanan tells Martha's husband that Gatsby was the driver and the husband shoots Gatsby and then himself. After Gatsby's death, his previous friends and associates abandon him and only his father and one former friend attend his funeral. Fitzgerald's view of Class 23 and the American Dream, Marius Beverly Gatsby, is an attack on the American Dream as it had degenerated after World War I, a dream which Gatsby nevertheless pursues. Cowley prepares the reader of the Great Gatsby with details of poverty and class consciousness in Fitzgerald. The primary conflict of Fitzgerald's classic novel, The Great Gatsby, concerns Jay Gatsby's struggle to rekindle a real relationship with Daisy and win her heart. Gatsby is the protagonist of the story and Tom Buchanan is the antagonist. He is married to Daisy and portrayed as an arrogant, hostile man. Throughout the novel, The Great Gatsby, written by Francis Scott Fitzgerald, the main conflict exists between three distinct social classes: the old money, the new money, and the no money. Tom and Daisy Buchanan descend from old money and therefore felt as if they should inherit certain rights. They believe that their birth gives them power, similar to the idea of divine right. New money is represented by the character Jay Gatsby. While the source of his money is originally unknown, it is obvious to other characters in the novel that Gatsby lacks certain social abilities that are bred into the characters from old money. Finally, the no money class is displayed through George and Martyr Wilson, for they have worked all their lives and are unable to stand on their own feet. The Buchanans could be labeled with several unsavory characteristics: careless, materialistic, slothful, and even childish in Daisy's case. Most importantly, the Buchanans lack the ability to face the consequences of their actions. Daisy tells Nick, I hope she will be a fool. That's the best thing a girl can be in this world, a beautiful little fool. You see, I think everything's terrible anyhow, and I know I have been everywhere and seen everything and done everything about the life she hopes for her daughter. Daisy doesn't want her to have to make hard decisions. She wants her to live an easy life in which she is oblivious to the real problems and surround her. Daisy has realized that the life she has been living doesn't make her happy, but it's easy for it is familiar. In addition, Tom can be described as perfidious for his infidelity. Neither he nor Daisy is satisfied with their marriage, but it is what is expected of them, so they continue to endure it. On the contrary, many of Gatsby's characteristics conflict with each other. He is proud, yet he is self-conscious. He is wealthy, yet he desires acceptance. He is lonely, yet he is surrounded by people. However, readers are certain of one sentiment throughout the novel: Gatsby is in love with Daisy. Most concerning the actions that Gatsby commits in his journey to recapture Daisy's heart. Gatsby is so infatuated with Daisy that he believes an end justifies the means. In other words, he doesn't care how he accomplishes it as long as he receives his happy ending with Daisy. Finally, while both Gatsby and Martyr follow the end justifies means philosophy, a great juxtaposition can be identified in relation to the actions and beliefs of George Wilson. Wilson's character is stuck, trapped in his garage in the Valley of Ashes. He survives in a lifeless and unnoticeable existence. So, the discussion on the class conflict that is in the famous novel of Fitzgerald, The Great Gatsby comes to close. Thank you very much.